love the green.
Emergency 911. Yeah, I know.
The bike's can go.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, come on, let's go check it out. Come on, let's go. Wow, what is this? Ooh. Let's go see. Come on. Say hi. You want some pizza? Ven, come on. You want pizza? Ven. Want to get up?
Hold on.
Good job. Good.
Let's get a little scratch.
Okay. Yeah. What happened? Gotta wait here. Touch it. Ambulance, good. Yeah, you can touch it. You gotta be taller. You gotta get on your tippy toes. Get on your tippy toes. Oh no, baby! Now put your feet on. Here, I'll carry you. Touch it. Go. Ambulance. Good.
Up here.
Let me see. Nice. You want a sticker too?
Tracy, would you like a sticker?
Yeah. Thank you. I don't know that they don't have an excavator here. I thought they did. They were going to have one. See a garbage truck. Garbage truck. I wish I could ride the garbage truck. bracelet? Oh, well, baby, that's the way it fits because it's a little bit big. You want to take it off? You want to save it? Okay. I'll save it for you. It's a cone. I don't know. They use those like in construction. Sweaty. We almost there. We're gonna get in the tractor. It's taller than you. Yeah, it has those little spikes on it. You see those? Not yet, baby. Almost. After him.
He's gonna get in the shade.
Nice. What is that? A fire extinguisher, right? Fire. I think that's what makes it go like forward and back, forward and back. Yeah. Maybe the on and off? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure, baby.